the IMOUMLIVE DLJ8 8-inch mini chainsaw versus that tree over there that has lost its mind. This product was sent to me for review, but all opinions are going to be my own. Let's check it out, see how it works. And this is how it arrives right here. Nice looking packaging. And inside the package, you are going to get a case, a storage case. I saw somebody say that you couldn't fit everything in there with the covers on, but you certainly can. So inside the case, you are obviously going to get the 8-inch mini chainsaw itself. You get an easy to read set of instructions that show you how to go through the maintenance and how to use it and safety features and everything in several different languages. You get a little tool bag that comes with it. We have the wrench for adjusting the tension on the chain, extra cap for the oil, funnel, a file, flathead screwdriver, and a brush. You get some safety glasses, a charger right here. And when you're using the charger, it's red while it's charging and lights up green when it's complete. And you get two 3.0 amp hour 21 volt batteries. They say that with both batteries, you can get a total of 2 hours total working time, though I have not tested that out. I don't have anything here that I need to cut for 2 hours. It has a 900 watt brushless motor, and I had no trouble at all cutting through some decent sized wood yesterday. Actually, cut through this. This is 5 inches on this side, 4 inches on that side. Cut through it like butter. I was able to cut through everything you see over there, and I still have plenty of power left on the battery. It feels like a powerful little motor. One thing is it kind of works its way up to top speed. So what I did was get it going a little first before I put it onto the wood. It's a battery, not a gas motor. Also, I wanted to point out that the chain barely loosened up at all while I was using it. I did not have to make any adjustments to it. I just used it the way it came right out of the box. Going over the unit, it weighs about 4 pounds and 6 ounces with the battery on it. I feel like the balance is really good on it, and I have no trouble at all using it one-handed. You can see the thickness of the chain on here. I'm not sure exactly what the measurement on that is, but these teeth are about 1 inch on center. We have an auto oiler right here, and you can add your chainsaw oil right here, and they've given you the little funnel to do it and the extra cap. And you'll need to put your own oil in there, but once you do, it's just a push of a button right here to drip it onto the chain. Speaking of the chain, it is super easy to tighten up when you need to. They've given you the wrench here. You're just going to loosen this up like so. Turn this knob to tighten it to where you want it, and then you tighten this back up again. Super easy to do. I believe that they actually make an optional extension pull that works with this, so that's kind of a plus for those that need it. Well, I don't think it's a tool for everyday commercial work. I do think it's a great little lightweight mini chainsaw to have handy at the house for smaller to medium-sized trees and brush or whatever. And there you go. Very nice. I like this thing.